Hey y'all, these are my Bates 8-inch strike side zipper boots, and so far I'm loving them. So these are my last pair of Bates. I've had a couple years, and the only reason I replaced them is on the motorcycle when I stop on the road. That's where my feet tend to slip, and that's not good. But you see, after a couple of years, like 3 years, I think, that's pretty good. So, what do we have with the strikes? We got some really good Velcro thingies. We got waterproof covers on the side. There's waterproof attachments to the tongue so water can't slip in. It's a good looking boot, of course. I like how it dips here so that it's not digging into your calf. And of course, waterproof. Good tread to help you keep your balance. Slip resistant, oil resistant, of course. Honestly, when I first tried these on yesterday, I wasn't so sure because it was so tight through here. Now I do have wide feet and flat feet, and I could barely get them on, and it hurt. So I stretched and stretched. I redid the laces, and eventually, well, I wore them for about 2 hours just to help break them in. I've read from another boot company, if you stick these in the tub, or any boots, fill them with water, dump the water out, and then wear them for a day, and then take out the insoles to dry. And these do have removable insoles like any good boot company. And it's doubtful you're going to get trench foot or something from just 12 hours or less than 12 hours of wear. But I just wore them for a couple hours, and I thought I'd have to do a couple hours again today. But so far today, I don't even want to take them off. I had to take it off to show you, but man, they're just fitting right to my foot. That thick foam insole helps a ton. Usually I use air pillow inserts, which are expensive, but Baha, you're not in this video. Sorry, the dog wants to help with her opinion. She would mostly talk about what leather tastes like. Anyway, no, she's a good dog. She won't eat my shoes. Anyway, where was I? The air pillow inserts. They can actually fit inside the stock insoles, so you don't have to choose. You can wear both. And they feel fantastic. But I haven't yet bothered to put them in because they're so comfortable. And I think I'm really going to like these. Now, I have to be honest. These run around 150 bucks or so normally. And these are from the Amazon warehouse, outlet, whatever. Someone ordered them, tried them on, decided, no, I don't like these, and sent them back. So I got them for like a third, less than a third of what they paid. So thank you, random person, for deciding you didn't like these boots. Try out the warehouse if you're thinking of something like this. You may get a good bargain. Make sure you check and see the quality. They rate things like new, very good, good, acceptable, and I don't know what's below acceptable. These were like new, and as you can see, other than me wearing them for 2 days now, they're still like new. The only thing I could see was a little bit of dust on one shoe, on the soles. Otherwise, they were perfect. And they already threaded them for me. So, yeah, normally the only boots I'll get are Bates or Magnums. I've tried, and there's some other good brands too, like 511 or something like that, but they're perfect on the motorcycle all day. They're comfortable enough to get up and wear. They can pass for dress boots, dress shoes. If I were wearing a suit, you wouldn't even be able to tell, except for maybe that little bit there. But you can get away with wearing them as dress shoes. I do, because I can't even wear dress shoes anymore with these big flat feet. But they, like I said, this style, I had friends in law enforcement and medical, firemen, ambulance, EMTs that swore by them, and I'm glad they talked me into trying them because they're so comfortable to wear all day. And what was I talking about? Wearing them all day? Yeah, hiking. I've hiked in them. Not this pair, but previous pairs. Hike, stand, ride your motorcycle. They're protective. These are just great overall boots, and they don't weigh nothing. So, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.